Hey friends, and welcome back. Today I'm gonna share with you 5 interesting phrases you can use every day to flaunt your English and to sound like a fluent English speaker. Let's begin. Go bananas. Go bananas. It means to become crazy or angry. If you feel you're going to get crazy, you can say, I'll go bananas if I work here. If you see something that's gonna make someone angry or crazy, you can say, she'll go bananas if she sees that. If someone is acting weird, you can say, no need to go bananas. So the next time you see someone going crazy or angry, you know what to say, go bananas. The next phrase is, not my cup of tea. Not my cup of tea. It means not interested. It can be anything that you're not interested in. That movie is not my cup of tea. Chinese cuisine is not my cup of tea. Dancing is not my cup of tea. It means you're not interested in dancing. Going to museum is not my cup of tea. So the next time you want to say that you're not interested in something, make sure to use the phrase not my cup of tea. The next phrase is up in the air. Up in the air. It means something that is not yet decided or not finalized. If your birthday plans are not yet decided, you can say plans are still up in the air. The guest list is up in the air. The candidate for that job is up in the air. It means the candidate for that job is not yet decided. So whenever you want to say something is not decided, you can say up in the air. The next phrase is bone idle. Bone idle. It means extremely lazy. Kids nowadays are bone idle. He likes to stay at home being bone idle. Vacations can make people bone idle. It means vacations can make people extremely lazy. So the next time you see someone extremely lazy, you know the word bone idle. The final phrase is down to earth. Down to earth. It has 2 meanings, humble, open, honest. Another meaning is practical. If you see someone who has a humble and open personality, you can say she has a very down to earth personality. Few people in the world are down to earth these days. Another meaning is practical. So you can say, he gave me down to earth traveling tips. It means he gave me practical traveling tips. The next time you meet someone who is humble and open, make sure to use the word down to earth. Use these 5 phrases every day, and soon you will be using them like an expert. Comment below your sentences using these phrases and make sure to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you soon. Take care.